Boom! Guys, I want to welcome you back to another episode of the Ford F150 rebuild. Guys, this is crazy, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys, walk you guys through what we're doing and where we are right now since we got the car, and then it's a truck, right? Since we got the truck and what we've done to it so far and where we are right now. It's amazing. You guys going to love it. So let's just flip the camera backwards so you guys can see it. All right, so guys, the frame was totally damaged as well on the driver's side, right, and a little bit on the passenger side as well. And this is the old one that we took off, okay, like this side, right, this part of it is gone. We try to fix it, but it wasn't advisable, so we were luckily to find this section, this part of it, right, the front end, which starts from here, right here, okay, all the way here. So we got this, all right, all the way we got it. So we purchased that, which was a little bit expensive as well. We purchased this and we have to cut it off and put this together, okay. So now my welder, who's actually taking care of this, he will arrive, and then as you guys can see, he done a very good job here. So he's gonna put a plate on it, right, to support it, to hold it very strongly. They're also gonna put a plate on each side to hold it very well. And on this side too, he's still working on this, right? It was late last night, so he's gonna come and continue the work today. And we're gonna put a plate on it as well to support it, okay, to make sure everything is intact and strong. And we're gonna cut this section as well. We're gonna put that on this section as well, all right, to complete the car, the frame actually. So once we're done with this, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna spray the chassis black, okay. Everything's gonna go black, and then before we put the engine back together, the engine is actually right here, okay. We have the engine covered, okay. This is a V6 EcoBoost twin turbo 2.7 liter. This is the engine, right? It's not a dead body, guys. Here's the engine right here. As you guys can see, we got the engine right there. Oh man, we had it covered, so you guys can see that, right? So, and we have most of the parts here as well. The exhausts are here. This was the one that was broken, you know. All the full side of the driver's side was totally damaged. The doors are also damaged. We have to replace the doors because they can't be fixed, because they are all aluminum and it can't be fixed. So we also have the bucket right here, and we have a lot of parts in there as well that we're gonna be replacing most of it. As you guys can see, that was the radiator support. It's totally broken. We can't really put it together. We have to change it. The front bumper is also damaged, the radiator, and then the AC tank is also damaged. But we got this one. We were able to purchase the tank and the fan. We had the fan also as well. So what we're gonna need now is the steer rack, and then the fender support over there, all right, and then the radiator support. These are the things that we need to put this car back together. But you know, each day we accomplish something, so we don't know how long it's going to take us. but we're surely gonna make sure we put this car back together, guys. And as you guys can see, the frame is right here, you know. Man, we hope we can put this car back together the way Ford made it, 100%. So guys, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell, so each time that we upload a new video, you'll be able to see where we are. All right, so guys, take care of yourself. I love you all.